Hello children, hope you are all fine. The next chapter we are going to see chapter number 3, human body, the digestive and excretory systems. First we will going to see about the digestive system. Before going to the chapter, first let us know about what is digestion. The process of breaking down of food into simpler substances that can be easily absorbed by our body is called as digestion. So, while eating food, we need to chew the food before swallowing it. The food that we cannot eat be used as it is by our body. Okay, it has to be first broken down into simpler substances that can be easily absorbed by the body. Okay children, then what are all the organs of digestive system? The main organs of the digestive system are mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. So let us see what are all the processes and functions of this each organs. So the first one, mouth. So mouth begins the first thing in digestion process. Digestion begins from the mouth. When we start chewing the food, our teeth break down the food into small pieces. The mouth consists of salivary glands. Okay, so these salivary glands produces a liquid called saliva. In our mouth, we are having one liquid, no? So that liquid is called as saliva. So what that will do? The saliva moistens the food and makes it soft. It also breaks down starch into sugar. Okay, then food pipe. Our tongue pushes down the moistened food into a tube called the food pipe or esophagus. Through the food pipe, the food goes into the stomach. The next organ, stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped hollow bag made of muscles. The stomach releases some digestive juices that mix with the food and break it down into a simpler form. Then, small intestine. From the stomach, the food goes into a long, thin and coiled tube called small intestine. The walls of the small intestine produce more juices which further help in breaking down the food. Next one, liver and pancreas. So what it will do? Liver and pancreas are digestive glands. So they produce some digestive juices that help in the breaking down of food in the small intestine. The next one, the food is now almost like a liquid. It is absorbed into the blood through the walls of the small intestine. The absorbed food is taken by the blood to all parts of the body. That's why we are getting energy. Okay children, the next organ, large intestine. The food that remains undigested passes into the large intestine. The walls of the large intestine absorb the extra water from the undigested food. So this water is passed to the kidneys. It is finally excreted from the body in the form of urine. So urine is a waste water from our body. The next one, rectum. Rectum is a part of large intestine where faces waste matter that remains after the digestion of food or stored for a short time. The last one, anus. The remaining solid waste is removed from the body through the anus. Okay children, so this is the organs which is involved in the digestion process. Okay children, so it is very important for us to chew the food well, then only it will be easy for the digestion process. Okay children, then the next video I will tell more about digestion and digestive system. Thank you children.